Sorry, so now we're gonna go to the input folder and we're gonna make some changes on the config.js file. So just open the config.js and go to line, yeah, 43. Here in 43 we have const layers. This is the different layers that we're gonna have, and this is something that I changed already, but this is some folders that are already created for another project, but here we're gonna change them. We have to put the folders that we already have here, like bold, bottom lid, eye color, iris, shine, and top lid. Because in each folder, actually, we have some pictures. This is the picture. This program actually, this code, is gonna mix these pictures and make a specific picture, like a lot of pictures. Each one is different from the other. So here we have to specify these folders, the layers, but be careful. We have to just respect the order. As example here from my previous project, I had to put background and then another file, another folder called 2022 that has some pictures. Why did I put this second and not first? Because normally we have to put the background, which is like color, the main color, and then the program's gonna put this picture on that layer, which is the background. I hope you understood what I wanted to say. So there you go. I changed the folders as the folders that we have already have here in the project. We started with the ball, and then the eye color, iris, shine, bottom lid, and then the top lid. This is it. We For your own project, you just have to change this part. Put the folders that contains the pictures that you want. Sometimes maybe you're gonna have a folder for the background, as I did already for my own project, and then a folder for just the face. I mean, you know, face, yeah. And then another folder for different hats. Another folder for as example, different ears. And then you have to put this in an order, starting with the background, the face, and then the hats and the ears. And the code is gonna generate a lot of pictures from these folders. So yeah, this is it. I think after finishing this, we have to make sure that we're gonna save our project. Everything is good. 50 pictures. For example, I'm just gonna put like 30. Let me save this and then let's click on terminal here. New terminal. Make sure to click to execute this command npm install. I already have the node modules, but for you, if it's the first time, you're not gonna have this folder, which is the node modules. So you have to execute this command npm install. For me, it's not gonna take a lot of time because I already have it. But for you, it's gonna take I don't know, maybe two, two or yeah, 2 or 3 minutes. And then let's execute this node index.js. And there you go. Now it's starting generating the pictures in the output, as you can see here. And so yeah, each picture is gonna be different from the other one. So yeah, just finished. As you can see here, I I I wanted 30 pictures, and then there you go. The code generated exactly 30 pictures. Let's go see them. It's gonna be in the output folder. There you go. As you can see, each one is different from the other. So yeah, this is it. I hope you found this. I hope you find this video useful for you. And yeah, subscribe and like this video for